So a while back, I shot a video talking about some of my favorite features of Koji, which is an insane platform that's free to use and does pretty much everything you could ever imagine. Koji is a new kind of social commerce platform that makes it super easy and effective to sell anything directly inside of Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, you name it. One thing I really want to stress in this video that I need you to understand is the ways that Koji empowers you to make money. And as a music creator, anybody out there trying to start a business, this is going to be incredibly powerful. Now, I know you might be asking, well, how is Koji different from other e-commerce platforms such as Etsy, Shopify, and others that you might be familiar with? Which, solid question. We have a lot of options at our fingertips, but in today's world, social media is the primary place to sell anything. These legacy e-commerce platforms are not optimized for social media. Companies like Shopify largely assume that customers are going to be bringing people in from Google and have built a brand and a store and a website. But heavy websites aren't made for social media and require extra clicks. Social media is where people are and where your audiences want to buy. So why wouldn't you be selling on social media? Here's the thing. Koji replaces the need for a website in a lot of ways by offering one powerful selling platform that gives you hundreds of templates that you can then turn into Kojis to help you sell anything. Koji gives you much greater flexibility with what you could sell. Where Shopify is more physical sales, Kajabi for courses, Koji comes with hundreds of templates to sell physical and digital products, premium content, and a myriad of other services. Here's why I'm so excited about this. You can do everything that I told you and far beyond very quickly and easily. It takes much less time to configure a Koji template and start selling right now than it does launching a storefront on like Shopify, for example. They skip the whole let's build a branded website part because sellers already have a brand on social media. They just give them exactly what they need to convert and fulfill sales. Now, as a music creator, you could offer a ton of different things to sell to your audience. You can sell your merch, obviously, tickets to gigs, online course teaching maybe the instrument that you've built a skill set around, but that's really only scratching the surface here. Now, as music creatives, we can even sell audio samples, live recordings, unreleased albums, Pro Tools, Logic, or even FL Studio templates, digital VIP packs, digital liner notes, songbooks, personalized fan videos, live stream tickets. You could sell voicemails to your fans. You can have printable album art and printable tour posters, just to name a few. The best thing about Koji is that it's free to sign up and get started. They only take a very small percentage of the sales that you get, which is great because then you're not held hostage by the multiple monthly membership fees that other platforms take out regardless of if you're actually making sales or not. So there's really no risk. Now, if you'd like to jump in and set up your very own ecosystem using Koji, I'll have a link in the description box below, down in the comments section. I'll add it down there as well. The exciting thing is that everything I told you guys about today is just a small sliver of what you can do with Koji. I invite you to go sign up and explore for yourself. You'll be glad you did.